All right, guys, now I'm going to teach you a straight back, right? But first, let me teach you the V. How do you do a V haircut? How do you come down and do a V, right? So basically, you're going to pull all this hair forward. You're going to divide it in the back, straight down, divide it, take this whole side, and you're going to actually pull it all forward, and you're going to do a face frame. All forward, okay? And you will get a V. You're gonna comb all this forward. Go straight up to a beautiful V. Use your imagination too. And you know I'll be texturing this baby. All the way up. So basically, that's what you're gonna do, and that's gonna be a V. Ooh. That's going to be a V on there. And then you could even look at, I see this right here. I want to just cut up a little bit more. Get that V. So this way, it's all this beautiful stacked here. And then it's going to show you a V in the back. Okay. Now, how do you do round? And then you do the other side the same exact way. So when you're doing round, what you're going to do, I don't want to do round yet. I'm going to do a straight back, just so you know. You just basically take this middle section of the mohawk right here. Okay, middle section. The mohawk's right here, the back of the head, perfectly straight. And then you're going to do a straight back. Okay, and then I'll take this side, straight back. I can't because I actually V'd that first. I should have did this first, the straight back. But I'm going to actually do it higher, just so you can see it better. Straight back on this second section. So you have section 1, section 2, and section 3. You can even bring all of it back. So it's called really an A-line. And there's your square, your straight one length. And it's not that it's one length, but it's just a straight line. So that whole back is straight and thick. And you pull this forward too. Let's take it back. And now you'll have a straight line. Now, if you want to do round, you take the middle of this back, and I like to pull it out a little when I do round, because if I like it to go under a little, I pull it out a tiny, tiny bit, so that layer will push it and make it go under better. Now, this is where it changes. You're going to take that first step right here, okay? You're going to cut that. Now you have to change and come to the side and bring it up a little bit. Then you come to this side, then you bring it up a little bit, and then you come to the front. Right, so look, I got that first one. Now I'm going to do the second one. I pull it out a little bit because I like to get it so it rounds under. See how I'm going to start going? Now I'm going to go to the side. Here we go. Now this is going to, right here, show you. This is going to be your spot, really, where it's going to be round. But just so you know, it is going to cut off hair. Okay. Go up. Now that will be rounded. Okay, so you take the first section, pull it out that little bit so it goes under, take the next section, come over, and just do a little bit more here. Softer, and it will round. And then you could even do it a little bit more if you need to. Yeah. And that is the round section. Straight back. Again, I'm just going to repeat it. Straight down, bring the next section straight down. Bring the next section over here straight down. So this would be 1, this would be 2, 2, bring it straight down and cut it. See how when I rounded it, I took this off? Now watch. See, straight, all this hair would match up to your comb. So always think, if you're gonna bring all the hair straight back, you could even take a buzzer and you could cut a straight line. Just hold the comb straight to all these sections. That's straight. Now, rounding it, you're just going around the head. And then a V, you pull it all forward for the V. And that's it, guys. Coach Kim here. Have a great day.